The SONY WUXGA 6400LM laser projector is a serious contender in the world of high-performance projection, designed for anyone who demands exceptional image quality. Right out of the box, it makes a statement with a sleek and minimalistic design that reflects its premium engineering. But while it looks good, it's the performance that really stands out. Let's start with brightness. At 6,400 lumens, this projector delivers extremely vivid and bright images, making it possible to use in rooms that aren't completely dark. Unlike conventional projectors that struggle under ambient light, this unit maintains clarity and vibrancy even in well-lit spaces. The WUXGA resolution ensures every detail is sharp, making it ideal for high-definition movies, fast-action sports, presentations, and gaming. One of the biggest advantages is its laser light source. Laser projection offers a longer lifespan and maintains consistent brightness far better than traditional lamp-based models. This means years of reliable use without worrying about diminished output. It also powers up quickly and doesn't require a lengthy cool-down period, which is a huge convenience for professional environments and home theaters alike. Image quality is where this projector truly shines. Sony's advanced processing delivers smooth motion handling, rich colors, and balanced contrast. Blacks are deep and shadows are detailed, while whites remain crisp without washing out the picture. Multiple color modes allow optimization for different lighting conditions, so you can achieve perfect results whether you're watching a cinematic masterpiece or presenting a slideshow. Connectivity is comprehensive. With multiple HDMI ports, USB inputs, and network options, it can handle almost any device you want to connect. From gaming consoles and media servers to laptops and streaming devices, setup is simple and versatile. For professional use, it also supports calibration tools, allowing precise tuning for the best possible image quality. The design includes flexible installation options. It's ceiling-mountable and offers lens shift and zoom adjustments, making placement less restrictive. Cooling is efficient, so the projector runs quietly, even at full brightness, which is crucial for uninterrupted viewing experiences in home theaters or offices. Performance across different applications is impressive. Fast-moving content remains smooth and responsive, while gaming experiences benefit from low input lag. Dark scenes retain depth without crushing detail, and bright scenes stay vivid without appearing washed out. The laser engine ensures consistent performance over time, so you can trust it to deliver high-quality visuals day after day. Longevity is another standout feature. The laser light source is rated for tens of thousands of hours, significantly reducing maintenance and replacement costs. For commercial use, this means reliable operation with minimal downtime, while home users get a long-lasting, worry-free viewing solution. Overall, this projector is a powerhouse of brightness, clarity, and flexibility. Whether it's for immersive home theaters, professional presentations, or high-end gaming, it delivers a visual experience that rivals much larger setups. The combination of laser technology, WUXGA resolution, advanced processing, and flexible installation options makes it one of the most capable projectors on the market today. From cinematic movies to professional presentations, the SONY WUXGA 6400LM laser projector brings everything to life with astonishing clarity and precision. Its robust build, reliable performance, and advanced technology make it a long-term investment in high-quality visuals. For anyone looking to elevate their visual setup, this projector delivers the performance, versatility, and reliability needed to impress in every scenario. If you want to buy this SONY WUXGA 6400LM laser projector, check the link in the description and upgrade your viewing experience today.